Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Zach Pasquarello. I am a certified QuickBooks Pro Advisor, and I own and operate Harrisburg Bookkeeping. I appreciate you all watching my videos. I typically talk about QuickBooks tutorials. Today, I wanted to touch on something that I've noticed, especially this week. I typically work with small to medium-sized business owners. I have a wide variety of clients, a lot of real estate, some people who sell boutique items online. I see a lot more of that. But a big underlying theme that I see very often is I get called in to come typically clean up some type of mess. Usually my clients' QuickBooks are less than organized, chart of accounts are all over the place, liability accounts, asset accounts, nothing seems to be allocated, categorized, and reported correctly. And what happens a lot is that people tell me, oh, I had some administrative assistant, or I had my husband or wife, or I had my grandmother. Never heard grandmother, but you get the picture, right? You either had some relative, you had some friend, or you had some administrative assistant or office manager helping you with your QuickBooks. And that usually works when you're starting out, but as your business gets more complex, as you start acquiring more assets, as you start opening up more lines of credit, as you start getting more checking accounts, as your business starts to get more complex, the bookkeeping and the accounting gets more complex. And typically, a relative, a spouse, or a secretary or an office administrator is only going to do what you tell that person to do. If you tell that person, hey, this deposit needs to be allocated to this chart of accounts, they're going to do that. They're not going to ask you any questions. They're not going to do a little bit of digging. They probably don't have the strongest accounting background. So they're not really going to know what needs to be done the right way. So that's when I come in, and that's when I see sometimes months, sometimes years of incorrectly categorized transactions, notes payable, acquired assets, no depreciation. Things are just expensed all at once. And it's months, sometimes years of bookkeeping that needs to be cleaned up. So you as a business owner, you need to, first of all, communicate effectively to your bookkeepers, your office administrators, the people helping you run your admin. You need to communicate effectively to them. And you need to tell them exactly where things need to be categorized. If you don't know where things need to be categorized, chances are your admin help probably doesn't know where things need to be categorized either. And if your administrator or manager is asking you a bunch of questions, it's probably because there is a significant lack in your communication. So I hear a lot of times business owners get frustrated when their employees are just asking a bunch of questions, maybe kind of second guessing the information they're being given. But if you want things to run smoothly, if you want things to be organized and done the right way, I think you need to be receptive to questions as a business owner. You need to understand where your employees are coming from because they don't see the whole picture. They only see your business from one scope. And if your bookkeeper, your accountant, or your administrative assistants have new ideas, I think as a business owner, it's really important to be receptive and open to new suggestions, doing things a different way, a new way. That's kind of the whole point of having employees help you run your business, come at it from a different perspective. You as a business owner, you're wearing so many hats. You're not able to see every little detail of the business. And that's why you have independent contractors, that's why you have employees, that's why you hire help so that we can help you run your business. And that's what I do as a bookkeeper. I unfortunately do a lot of cleanups, whether business owners just neglected and didn't do any bookkeeping for months or years, or someone else did bookkeeping and it wasn't accurate from an accounting perspective. I do a lot of cleanups. And I do a lot of monthly, daily, weekly bookkeeping for small to medium sized business owners. So if you're stressed, if you feel like the job's not getting done right, if you need help, feel free to reach out. I would be happy to help you as a business owner. I bring a fresh perspective. I bring new ideas, and I'm not afraid to ask difficult questions and steer you as a business owner in the right direction from an accounting perspective. That way, everything is good to go when it comes time to file your taxes. No need to fear an audit. None of that is ever a worry because we do things the right way from the beginning. So if you're stressed, if you're struggling, maybe it's time to outsource your accounting. Maybe it's time to hire in a professional. And at Harrisburg Bookkeeping, we are more than happy to help. I partner with a CPA, so if you're looking for higher level tax consulting, tax strategy, tax planning, we offer that as well. And my CPA files your taxes at the end of the year. So you know it's done right. You know it's done by a CPA, and I do your monthly bookkeeping. So we offer the whole package. So if you ever need any help, feel free to reach out. Once again, my name is Zach Pasquarello, certified QuickBooks Pro advisor. I'm a bookkeeper, and I'm not afraid to ask the tough questions and bring new ideas to the table. So if you're feeling stuck, if you're feeling stressed, if you're feeling frustrated with what you currently got going on, then let's set up a time to chat. I'd love to work with you. So I appreciate you all watching my videos, and I'll talk to you again. Have a great day.